Okay guys, I just fixed the BMW E60's adaptive headlight system and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, and how to make it work. Okay, first you have to switch the light control panel to auto, and there's an indicator here, and you have to make sure there's no system fault first. If the system fault, you'll flash and blink, and in that case the adaptive headlight won't work. Okay, so make sure there's no system fault, everything works. Okay, now when you ignite, when you turn the keys and there's an auto positions, here's headlight. When it turns on, you will do a calibration. Okay, you see the slightly move upward and downward. Okay, so now let's start the car. Okay, now it's in park position. So what we're going to do now later is, like, I'm going to go to drive, and I'm going to make a right turn, and the light will just turn right, and then when I switch to reverse, the headlight will go back to straight, and in that case you know that the headlight is working. Okay, let's just back a little bit first. Okay, now I switch to drive. Okay, I'm going to make right turn like this. Okay, this is where the headlight it is now. So I'm going to switch it to drive. 1, 2, drive, reverse. Okay, you see the light goes back to the right a little bit, right? So if I now back to drive, you see the headlight move to the right again. To reverse. Okay, now if it moves, then you know your adaptive headlight system is working. Okay, that's it.